Welcome to my YouTube channel Infinity Rankers na adom butaram noksari channel asibu growth tobada mayamgi mateng ijari mayam support tobiramo channel asibu subscribe tobiramo like nambiramo comment pibiramo mya asoiba aranba yauragasu mayamna chumthokpiu suggestion pibiramo mathangi video singta asoiba sing semthoknabagi khudong chaba pibiu haijari ina tawdoisina ngarang tawgiba present tawgre ko past tawgre ko ji ngasi tawdoisina future tawdineba kanagi negative sentence ki negative sentence ta ina conjugation tawidina adugi conjugation dugi ngasi ngarang past present ga past ka ngarang tawgre ngasi future tawdineba yawase hawrse ahamda kamai igadage magi niyom leidana amangda tawgibto adu irase yaw present not sorry future ko future kaino future indefinite ta kari haina igadage du yengase future indefinite tense iredana adu singular plural igani daga magi ingadaba niyom do hairage yo subject plus shall or will plus not plus b1 haibaneba adu taragati hamda iro sigi niyom jineba indese next yo I haraga subject ta kaino shall hapaneba shall not it haraneba b1 adagi we shall not it haran next you dadi kaino you dadi will not it haran you da again you will not it haran he dadi sa manare dadi he will not it haran they will not it haran next amu kaino future continuous natra future continuous tense future continuous tense ta sida kayo deba subject plus shall or will plus not haraga b hapedna plus b1 plus ing hapsala sigi niyom ji indene sajana future continuous tense ai ko adi ahambada irani sida I dati shall haigre ko shall not sidi irije b hapani dana b plus it plus ing eating hairani ko next kaino we shall hairani not be eating hairani yare ko adigi mathangda you da samanare you will not be eating hairani si plus absolute yare ko adigi you da su again will not be eating hairani he da su samanare he will not be eating hairani yandabra adigi mathangda they dadi they will not be eating hairani negative tense kini ko adigi mathangda future perfect future perfect tense ta magi idai niyom se kaino subject plus ko subject plus sidna shall or will haraga plus ko not hairani the have hairani not have plus b3 hairani sida sumana andai ko se adu mathangda sida hamadu yunjana first I shall adagi not have have hairana eaten hairane v3 nina mana we dasu kaino we shall not have kehani eaten hairane so mathangda you da di you will not have eaten hairane samanan you will not have eaten hairane mathangda gaino he da di chap manare bsisu he will not sididi man present da has haigidana he da zadi hire ba have dum hairane have eaten hairane they da chap manare they will not have eaten hairane silore matangda last ki aroiba di kay orani future perfect continuous natra continuous tense ta kay orani haibam matangda sidadi niyom ta kay orani shall haragani ko subject plus shall or will harani plus not happening plus have been hairani sida have been plus v1 plus ing happening hay ko sida si ki niyom ji ilo jadi kahamada kay orani I harani shall happening I da di shall happening na adigi mathangda not happening have been na hapjalo have been plus v1 plus ing di v1 di it natra da ing hapjalo adigi mathangda we da su chap manana we da su shall not have been eating hairane ing hapjalo yare ka adigi mathangda you da di you will hairane will not have been eating again you will not have been eating hairane chamanana kem hong di ko sida third da di kay dore third person singular number da su kay dore he hairane ko he will not have been eating hairane they da su chamanana mamang to gitu mana they will not have been eating hairane sumaya to de conjugation je noina khangadabamna sida negative to bu matamda negative ni do aina mamang da takhiduna kaino affirmative ki neba sina mung negative tala ineba negative ki da su chamanana present past future layeba ko present da mari ma past da mari ma future ju mari laite 1 2 3 4 mari laite ne haiba mari se hayeng iba ngangba dum sizinagane ba si sizinaraganda akoina ngang doribni idoineba akoina conjugation tawrise kaino hayeng english si iba matamda chumni iba ama chumna ngangba ngamdabagi dabtane akoina irije yantai ko pare ngasi gi digital loisalaje hayeng makha amung tawrase class aduga sigi mamangi video se sigi present future ni present ki past ki yengi hai taraga di mamangi video da aina thaga khrabne di yengo ko